Here are 7 high-paying ideas for beginners to make money online easily. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore different ways to make money online. My name is Benson254. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends who might find it useful. Today, we're going to discuss 7 high-paying ideas for beginners to make money online, using simple and easy-to-understand language. 1. Freelancing. Our first idea is freelancing. Freelancing involves offering your skills and services online. You can be a freelance writer, graphic designer, social media manager, or even a virtual assistant. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are great platforms to get started. 2. Online surveys. Another easy way to make money online is by taking online surveys. Companies pay for your opinions on various topics. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Pinecone Research offer paid survey opportunities. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is idea number 3. It's all about promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for each sale. You can do this through a blog, YouTube channel, or social media. 4. Dropshipping. Our fourth idea is dropshipping. With dropshipping, you can sell products online without actually owning inventory. When someone buys from your online store, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. Platforms like Shopify make this easy. 5. Content creation on YouTube. If you enjoy making videos, consider starting a YouTube channel. You can earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, just like we're doing here. Remember to subscribe, like, and share if you find this video helpful. 6. Online tutoring. For our sixth idea, online tutoring can be highly profitable. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can teach it to students worldwide. Websites like VIPKid and Chegg Tutors can help you get started. 7. Selling ebooks or online courses. Last but not least, you can create and sell ebooks or online courses. If you're knowledgeable about a specific topic, you can package your expertise into a digital product and sell it on platforms like Amazon, Kindle, or Udemy. Conclusion. So there you have it. 7 high-paying ideas for beginners to make money online. Remember that success in any of these fields takes time and effort, but they can be extremely rewarding. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or want to share your own online money-making experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.